guys, as you can tell by this video, I am doing a seamless sew-in with micro links. Micro links are one of the most trendiest installations that's going on currently. A lot of stylists are doing them. In order for you to get those seamless installs, a lot of people are doing micro link installations. Micro links can be used with either wefts or individual strands of hair. They're extremely seamless. They're going to create a very flat and flawless install for you. In this clip, all I'm doing is actually going through, pulling the hair through my link so I can begin to create me a foundation for her installation. This particular micro link install, we use wefts. We use the kinky straight hair to give her the most natural looking install with her style choice. As you continue to watch this video, you'll be able to see that we were able to do a lot of diverse styling or versatile styling with this type of install. It can range anywhere from $350 to upwards of $2,000. This service is extremely versatile and can last for a very long time, depending on how the guest takes care of the install. In this clip, you'll be able to see high ponytails. She was able to do buns. She also was able to pull her hair up with the half up, half down look. It is just a super versatile install. She was able to do a deep part, and she also was able to do a braided style. A lot of naturals were like a braid to the side and a ponytail to the back, or a bun to the back. This installation gives the most versatile, like, you can just do as much as you like with your hair with this type of install. You can move your hair freely, and you don't really have to be constrained by any way that you like to wear your hair. At this point, we had pressed the hair and styled it lightly with some soft curls. I am now booking for the micro link service. Let me know if you'd like to come in. Thanks.